I don't love my husband like I used to do. Hello ladies and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Comment, your relationship expert. And in today's video, I really want to answer this question that I received by email. A lady asked me, Alex, I really don't love my husband like I used to. What should I do? And this was a really interesting question for me because love is not always magical. Even for me as a relationship expert, to be honest. Sometimes we are really happy, we are loving, and then sometimes we are just like, oh, why am I not single? But the answer are always look at how you are growing with your partner. It's really important to not just focus on love, but to focus also on personal growth and the couple growth. The way you are growing today is really important. What are your projects? What did you build in your life? These are the questions that we need to ask ourselves because as human nature, we are always taking things for granted. Oh, I just had 2 kids, we bought a house, we traveled the world, but it's not enough. Yeah, it's never enough for a human. But if you can remember all the good things that you have shared, then I can guarantee you the love will come back. So my first advice is take a paper, a pen, and just write down everything that you are grateful for your relationship. That's really important to understand that you are not just loving someone, you are building something. Number 2, if there is not enough love, that means there is not attraction and excitement. So, if you want to rebuild the love with your partner, husband, or if you want him to rebuild the love with you, you should tell him it's time now to restart from scratch. It's time to restart from zero, to act like we are just dating each other. And I need you to attract me. And I need you to seduce me. And this is why I can tell when I'm coaching a woman who asks me, Alex, I'm not really in love with my husband like I used to. What should I do? You should restart from zero. Because the feeling of being in love, it's not always every day. So we need to come back to the beginning where we were excited to see each other, trying 10 dresses before to go on a date and ask all of your friends, hey, do you think this makeup is okay on me? Do you have to tell him that I like him? This sort of dating process where you have to know each other, this is what we want. So it's time now to think not about love, but about attraction and excitement. What will you do to enjoy the moment? What will you do to do new activities to bring your relationship to the next level? If you don't have the answer to this question, I will really encourage you to book a coaching session with me. Come on withmyexagain.com/coaching. And I will really help you understand your husband, understand your boyfriend. And at the same time, I will help you understand how you can recreate this attraction, how you can rebuild a relationship. Because when you can do that, that means we will have results. So leave a comment, give a like, subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. Every single day, you can hear my French accent or you can have Coach Natalie and Coach Adrian giving you some good advice. And come on withmyexagain.com. You have tons of articles. Everything that you need, you can have it. And you have the solution within yourself. That's why I'm so happy to be a relationship expert. Because I'm so happy to help you empower your life. And I will see you soon for new videos. Don't worry about love. It's about attraction and excitement. If you can understand that, your life will be better. I will see you soon. Bye-bye, guys.